Hey, what's up guys? It's coming with another drawing today. Today is going to be another card drawing, and today I want to do another black paper drawing. It's on negative filters right now. As you can see, I'm Mr. Smurf Man, all blue and everything. This picture I did in four pens: a brush pen from Faber-Castell, a white gel pen, a Copic marker, dark blue, and this one is also a blue as well. Although it looks orange on the filter. Um, and then for the drawing, it didn't go quite as well as no, sorry, it went as wetter than I thought it would do. Because what I did is I kind of did a bit of fun experiment with the Posca markers that were very wet. But then I used a ruler and went across it vertically, like some sort of mad effect. And I thought I'd ruined the drawing, but then I fixed it with the white gel pen and the Copics and everything that I was using before, and I told you about. So here's the drawing that will be showing you how I did. You can see it's come out negative. It's just a fun little sketch. It's nothing professional, nothing realistic. But yeah, it turned out pretty awesome. It's a little bit wobbly, but once you see on the other effect, it will look awesome, trust me. Okay, let's get started with this BMW E30 drawing. So I want to do a few lines just to get me, just so I know where a few things are going. Now this is on black paper. I repeat, this is on black paper. What you're seeing is actually just the negative filter. So negative means opposite. So this P is white and my hands P are blue for some reason. I am now Mr. Smurf Man. Okay, so this is a front view, so you can see this is where the windscreen is going to be. Here is this big grill coming across. And like I said, this is just a sketch. You won't see any of these pencil lines once I've covered it all up. I can actually barely see them because it's on black paper. This comes down. Oh my, how much that's leaning. I'll probably have to fix that. Okay, I'll do for now. I'll do for now. Now, I'm going to start off with Posca first this time. I'll do a bit more colour on the car. So this P is red on the negative, but it's actually blue, and you'll see later. Why am I using negative? Well, why not? Now bring this across. I don't like how it looks a bit uneven. And pen just rolled off my desk into the wet paint. Lovely jubbly. You know, I'm going to do a weird effect while I'm actually here. Why not? So I'm just going to do some lines going across with the ruler. I don't know why, I just wanted to do it. I think I was mad at the drawing and it wasn't actually coming out as well as I wanted to do it. I haven't even started yet. Okie dokie. I'm going to do too much colour. I'm not doing the whole vehicle. I'm just doing a few basic, simplistic lines. So this is two lights at the front. This is going to be the grille, although I'm going to do this in more. Oh, should I do the lights? Just a little bit. Let's bring this round. Okay, with my ruler again. being too neat with this. I don't want to do effect, I'm just experimenting here. Well, that certainly made a interesting effect. Have I ruined this drawing? I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to do some of the details. So these are little lights just on the front. So these ones on this side, just trying to keep them both equal, like so. Let's do the signature BMW pig snout. So this turns up black on the negative filter, but it's actually a white gel pen. This one, I'm using a Posca paint marker and a white gel pen. I'm being very careful not to put my hand on the wet paint. The darkest areas of the paint, as you can see there, a bit of black, that just shows the reflection of it, so it's very, very wet. So it's good to have that negative filter because you can see where the wet bits of the paint are. Bring this across. So I'm just doing the lines of the bumper there, just going around. This is just the wheel arch that'll come down. Just under little bits here and there. I want to kind of make the edges pull in, so I'm doing them with a lot more shading. And lines going across the grille. Okie dokie. Starting to slowly take shape. Okay, it's getting there, it's getting there. Slowly just working on all these different lines. To be honest, I'm kind of just trying to fix a lot of the blue edges that I've made. It's hell of messy. And this is just for the seats on the inside. That one's a little bit higher. I'm trying to get these lights into shape. It's quite difficult because the paint's still a little bit wet. Okay, I'm just doing the wheel on the side. I'm trying my best not to go within the coloured lines. Just go around here. Okie dokie. Now, what to do next? Add a little bit of shading on these sections. Just a little bit on the edges. And I'm just doing my logo on from the bonnet here. Just like so. Maybe a little bit just on the edge here. Okay, I think I'm just about finished now. I'm just cleaning up a few lines here and there. It needs something else. I need something else. I'm not quite sure what though. Okay, I found that something else I wanted. Just got a bit of Copic markers on it. So this drawing turned out nothing the way I wanted it to do. well, it actually has turned out better than what I actually wanted. I wanted to just do a simple line drawing, something fun and easy, but I ended up just creating a big mess with the Posca markers, and it's come out nicely. I'm actually happy with the way it turned out. So, fun little experiment there, just going wild, and it went well. Just apply a bit of a darker shade, a bit of a, just on this edges here. Just doing a few little lines. Okay. Now I just want to put the label on it. So it is BMW E30. I think that'll do. I'm happy with that. Let's have a look, see what it looks like without the negative. Okay guys, you can see there without the negative filter, where my hands are normal and not Smurfman anymore. Yeah, you can see the blues coming nicely and the nice effect. So I kind of just did that wet effect with the Posca marker. That's when crazy with a ruler and across. I'm going to have to clean my ruler off now. But yeah, it's quite nicely on the black paper. It's got a good nice effect. Right, I think I'll leave it like that guys, and I'll see you later for another one. Goodbye.